Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making double chocolate chip cookies for you. These cookies are made with oats. These are vegan, gluten-free and full of flavor. These have a crispy, crunchy flavor and these have no eggs. These are gluten-free and of course you cannot stop at one. So let's get started right away. We start by taking 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal or powdered flax seeds in a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Allow it to bloom and keep aside. We are using this as an egg replacer. Now take a roomy glass bowl and add all your ingredients. We begin by 1/3 cup of tightly packed brown sugar or cane sugar. You could also use coconut sugar if you wish. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or melted butter. Give it a good mix and allow the sugar to combine. Now add the flaxseed meal mixture and mix it well. We are creating a sticky base for the cookies. Now keep mixing half a teaspoon of salt and powdered cinnamon if you wish. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and if you like the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes for you. Now add 4 tablespoons of chopped dark chocolate chunks. You could also use chocolate chips if you wish. The melted chocolate chunks taste so delicious in these cookies. Add 1½ cup of powdered oats flour, which can be easily prepared by blending the oatmeal in a blender at home. Next we add half a cup of almond powder. You could also use walnut or pecan meal if you like, which can be easily made by blending them. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, which are the rising agents in this cookie. Mix well but lightly as we want the mixture to be light and fluffy. Add additional 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to incorporate the dough well. I'm so loving the chocolate chunks in these cookie dough, I tell you. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. With the help of an ice cream scoop, drop 1 scoop of batter in the parchment, keeping them well spaced. These cookies don't spread very much, so you could press them gently with a fork if you like flatter cookies. Top it with cinnamon flavored chocolate chips if you have, or you could just use plain chocolate chips. Bake them at 170 degrees for 15 minutes till the top is crispy and the center is loaded with molten chocolate. And your crispy, crunchy, super healthy chocolate chunk cookies are ready. Enjoy it with a glass of milk or store it later for coffee. Too good to be true, I know, but then these are so good.